Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg, and in this video I'm going to discuss the uses and output of Separator block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. I already have 3 paragraphs, and between these paragraphs I'm going to add the Separator block. Click on the plus sign and go to layout element and select Separator, and between these 2 paragraphs I'm going to add another separator. Go to layout element and select separator. You can also change the style of your separator. If you click your separator block and select this style option, you'll be seeing your separator style is changed. Click on the update button and view post. You'll be seeing your separators are here. If you have any question regarding WordPress, Gutenberg or any blog, you can write down your comments below. We'd love to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.